find out.
Look at that! Our backward solution lasted all the way to the city.
Well, now it's time for some urban solutions.
Absolutely. While you may see a lovely view of San Francisco behind me through the fog, an empty runway, and 100 or so cones, I see an urban obstacle course in potential.
Adam and Jamie will each focus on their own urban fix. But first, they need to conjure up a cityscape crash course. And with everything set, the urban fixin' can commence, starting with Jamie.
Technically, there's nothing stopping you from rolling on a flat tire, other than sooner or later you're going to cut through it and you'll end up on the steel rim. So I figure, let's just try rolling on the steel rim.
It's a typically simple solution from the highway that begins with him removing their logjam.
Well, that worked pretty well. Sort of.
And ends with him first wrenching a tire